Bihu is the famous festival of which state? Assam. What is the name of Samadhi of Lal Bahadur Shastri? Vijay Ghat. Who was the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. On which date is the International Women's Day celebrated? The 8th of March. Who invented X-ray? Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. When was the United Nations formed? The 24th of October 1945. What is the script of the Hindi language? Devanagari script. Bismillah Khan is famous for which instrument? Shahnai. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest in the world? Junko Tabei. Which vitamin is obtained from sunlight? Vitamin D. Where is the monument Charminar located? Hyderabad. Who gave the slogan "Do or Die"? Mahatma Gandhi. What is the highest civilian award of India? Bharat Ratna. Who is known as the Shakespeare of India? Kalidasa. Who was the first person to step on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Pancreas. Who is known as Nightingale in India? Sarojini Naidu. What is the length of India's coastline? 7,517 kilometers. What is the common chemical name for vitamin C? Ascorbic acid. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. Hyderabad is situated on which river? Musi River. What two seas does the Suez Canal connect? Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. Which sport is associated with the Hopman Cup? Tennis. Where is Gayatri Mantra taken from? Rigveda. Where is the image of an object formed in the human eye? Retina.